Hi, my name is Jori Chisholm. I'm a piper and a bagpipe teacher and the founder of bagpipelessons.com. Today I want to play a few tunes for you and tell you a little bit about the bagpipes. There are bagpipes in many countries around the world. Probably the most famous country for bagpipes is Scotland, and the most famous style of bagpipes are the Great Highland Bagpipes. The bass drone, which is the longest one, and then two tenor drones. Then there's the blowpipe that doesn't make any sound. This is just for blowing air into the bag. And then the pipe chanter. The pipe chanter is where you hear the main melody of the tunes, and the drones is where you hear that background sound. If you go to see pipers perform live or in a competition or at the Highland Games, you'll see pipers are spending a lot of time tuning their pipes. And what we're doing is we're sliding the drones up or down in order to get them perfectly in tune. We want all three of our drones to be perfectly in tune with each other. And each one of the drones has a reed inside, and the chanter also has a reed. The chanter has a cane reed, cane is a natural material, sort of like bamboo, and you'll see it's a double reed there. This is what gives the bagpipe chanter its unique sound. The bagpipe chanter scale has 9 notes, so a fairly limited range compared to other instruments. But what we lack in range of notes, we make up for with playing fast, intricate fingerings, and complicated rhythms. That makes the bagpipes unique compared to other instruments is the bag. So what the bag lets you do is take a breath while you're playing but have continuous sound. So when you watch a piper is playing, you will see they'll be blowing into the bag and then taking a breath and repeating that. And while they're taking a breath, the sound continues. The bag allows you to do that. As long as there's some air in the bag and you're squeezing it with your arm, you'll have air going out the reeds and continuing to make sound. These Highland pipes are made of African blackwood, which is a very hard, dense wood. Now, 100 years ago, bagpipes would have been ornamented with ivory projecting mounts. These days, we don't use real ivory anymore, so there are different types of projecting mounts you can get. This is imitation ivory. It looks beautiful, but no elephants were killed to make them. And then you'll also see other types of metal, nickel or silver. And on the fancier pipes, you'll see engraved silver and some really, really beautiful silver work. I'm going to play a Piobaireachd, and a Piobaireachd is an ancient style of bagpipe music, and the tunes are quite complicated and very long, and some of the tunes are as long as 20 minutes. This is a tune that I composed for my first teacher. It's called Colin McKenzie's Salute. underneath here is the pipe bag itself. Now, traditionally, the pipe bag would be made of leather, like sheepskin or cow leather. And these days, a lot of pipers prefer a modern synthetic bag made of a synthetic breathable material like a Gore-Tex. I have a hybrid bag, which is a leather on the outside and the synthetic layer on the inside. It has all the advantages of the synthetic material, meaning it stays airtight, it lasts a really long time, it doesn't dry out, and then the leather outside covering gives it the traditional feel that I prefer and a lot of pipers prefer. And then the final tunes that I'm going to play are a couple of jigs, the Banjo Breakdown and the Glasgow City Police Pipers. Thanks very much for listening and for watching. To learn more about the bagpipes, check out my website at bagpipelessons.com. Thanks.